Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. It is wonderful outside. Get outside and get some exercise. Get some of that good sun. Today is June 5th, 2025. AI and robots have taken over most jobs. No cashiers, no truck drivers, no accountants. Even creative jobs and coding are automated. People are unemployed. There's no money flowing through the hands of everyday folks. But here's the big question. If no one has money, who's going to buy all the things the robots are making? We're already seeing it. AI writes, designs, drives, and even diagnose. Robots build cars, stock shelves, and deliver food. At first, it sounds efficient, and it is. But when people are replaced, so are their paychecks. If you don't have a job, you can't spend. And if people can't spend, the economy breaks down. This is more than just science fiction. It's a real question for the near future. If only a few corporations own the robots and the rest of society is jobless, how does anyone afford food, housing, clothes, or technology? But nobody has money to buy them. Now what? Even companies can't survive if no one can afford their products. So we need a new system, a new solution. The following are 4 possible solutions that may be in our near future. Number 1, universal basic income. Governments or tech companies could give everyone a monthly income, no strings attached. AI makes the money and it shares with the public so we can keep spending and living. Number 2, shared ownership of AI. What if everyday people own the robots, the data, or the AI companies? If they generate profits, the public gets a share, like dividends from a business. Number 3, new kinds of jobs. Some believe AI will create new roles we can't even imagine yet. But will there be enough jobs that AI can't do better, faster, and cheaper? Finally, number 4, post-work society. This is the big one. What if we move beyond jobs altogether? A world where survival doesn't depend on employment. We focus on creativity, community, caregiving, and robots handle the rest. Sounds utopian? Maybe, but it's a conversation worth having. The risk of doing nothing. If we don't plan ahead, and if AI wealth stays locked in the hands of a few, we face collapse. No buyers, no middle class, civil unrest, a broken economy. We either design a system where everyone benefits or risk a future where automation leads to inequality and instability. Finally, if AI takes all the jobs, who buys the products? This is not just a tech question, it's an economic, political, and a human question. What do you think they have planned for everyone? Please leave your comments in the comment section. I would love to read it. Well, thank you all for visiting Hello Today. Please like, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. This is Selena. Have a super awesome day. Bye.